Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss what type of the BTech projects, MTech projects, PhD projects, and the research projects can be done. And he discussed about the Internet of the Things. This is the project-based 6-month industrial training of the IoT Internet of the Things that covers the following models. Industrial training in the IoT Internet of Things is a modular 6-month course over the 5 days, a week, and 2 hours a day, and accessibly include practical session. The course curriculum of the industrial training in the embedded system comprises business overview of the why IoT is important. This is the case study from the NEST, Cisco, and the top industry. IoT adoption rate in the North American and how they are aligning their future decision model and operation around the IoT. Broad scale application area, smart house and a smart city, industrial internet, smart cars, wearables, home healthcare, business rule regeneration for the IoT. 3-layer architecture of the big data, physical sensor, communication, and the data intelligence. Introduction of the IoT, all about the sensors. Basic function and architecture of a sensor, sensor body, sensor mechanism, sensor calibration, sensor maintenance, cost and pricing structure, legacy, and the modern sensor network, all basic about the sensors. Development of the sensor electronics, IoT versus legacy, and the open source as a traditional PCB design style. Development of the sensor communication protocol, history of the modern day, legacy protocols like Modbus, Relay, hard to modern day Zigbee, Z-Wave, Extend, Bluetooth, ANT, etc. Business driver for the sensor deployment, FDA, EPA regulation. Fraud, tampering detection, supervision, quality control, and the process management. Different kind of the calibration techniques, manual, automation, in-field, primary, and the secondary calibration, their implication in IoT. Powering option for the sensors, battery, solar, electricity, mobile, and the PROI. Introduction to the sensor network and the wireless protocol. What is a sensor network? What is ad hoc network? Wireless versus wireline network? Wi-Fi 802.11 families, N2S application of the each standard and the common vendors. Zigbee and the Z-Wave advantage of the low power mesh networking, long distance Zigbee, introduction to different Zigbee chips. Bluetooth, BLE, low power versus the higher power, speed of detection, class of the BLE, introduction of the Bluetooth vendors and their review. Creating network with the wireless protocols such as a PIC-NOT by a BLE. Protocol stacks and the packet structure for the BLE and the Zigbee. Other long distance RF communication link. LOS versus NOS link. Sensor network, packet architecture, capacity, and the throughput calculation. Application issue in the wireless protocol, power consumption, reliability, PER, QoS, and the LOS. Review of the electronics platform, production, and the cost projection. PCB and FPGA versus ASI design, how to take decision. Prototyping, electronics versus production electronics. QA certificate for the IoT, CE, CSA, UL, IEC, ROHS, IP65. What are those and the basic introduction of the multi-layer PCB design and its workflow when needed. Electronics, reliability, basic concept of the FIT and the yearly mortality rate. Environmental and the reliability testing, basic concept, basic open source of the platform, Adro, Raspberry Pi, Black Rubon, Redback, and the Diamondback. Covering conceiving a new IoT product, product requirement document for the IoT, state of the present art and review of the existing technology in the marketplace, suggestion of for new feature and technology based on the market analysis and the patent issue, detailed technical space for the new product, system, software, hardware, mechanical installation, etc., packaging and the documentation requirement, servicing and the customer support requirement, high level design for the understanding of the product concept, release plan for the phase wise introduction of the new features, skill set for the development team and proposed project plan, cost and the duration, target manufacturing price. Introduction to the mobile application platform and the middleware of the IoT. Protocol stack for the mobile application for the IoT. Fundamental of the wireless application protocol. Mobile to server integration. What are the factors to look out? What are the intelligent layer that can be introduced at the mobile application level? iBeacon in the iOS. Global versus local ID guide concept for the secure to the IoT network. IoT middleware case study 1, Exeda. IoT middleware case study 2, Javelier. Machine learning for the intelligent IoT. Introduction to the machine learning classification techniques, Bayesian prediction, preparing training file, support vector machine, image and video analytic for the IoT, fraud and alert analytic through the IoT, biometric ID integration with the IoT, real-time analytic and the stream analytic. Scalability issue of the IoT and the machine learning. What are the architectural implications of the machine learning for the IoT? Analytic engine for the IoT. Insight analytic, visualizing analytic, structure predictive analytic, unstructured predictive analytic, recommendation engine, pattern detection, rule scenario discovery, failure, fraud and optimization, root cause discovery. iSPaaS SaaS IoT data platform and software as a service revenue model. IaaS information as a service evolving model. Mechanism of the security breach in IoT layer for the AIS. Middleware for the IaaS business implementation in the healthcare, home automation and the farming. iOS case study for the vehicle information for the auto insurgent and agriculture. PaaS platform as a service in the IoT, case study of the same of the IoT middleware. SaaS software system as a service for the IoT business model. European legislation for the security in the IoT platform. Firewalling and the IPS, updates and the patches. Database and the platform implementation for the IoT. Cloud-based IoT platform. SQL versus NoSQL, which is the good for the IT application, open source versus the licensed database. Available M2M cloud platform. Basic functionality of the IoT cloud platform, real-time analytic, batch analytic, data storage, data filtering, rule engine, process mapping, caching of data for the IoT rule implementation, lossless data compression, data encoding, HumFem and the progressive filtering, Javeli, Jomeg, Ayla, Lablium, Cisco M2M platform, AT&M M2M platform, Google M2 platform. A few common IoT system. Home automation, energy optimization in a home. Automatic OBD, SPaaS for the insurance and the car parking, IoT lock, smart smoke alarm. Back blood alcohol monitoring for drug abuser under probation, pet cam and the pet lovers, wearable IoT, mobile parking ticketing system, indoor location tracking in the retail store, home health care, smart sports watch. Big data for the IoT. 4V volume, velocity, variety, and veracity of the big data. 4V. Why big data is important in the IoT? Big data versus legacy data in the IoT. Fundamentals of the may produce system MR. Head loop of the and HDFS. Kafka for the data messaging and the brokerage. Storm, Bolt, Spout fundamentals of the real-time analytic system. Storage technique for the image, geospatial, and the video data. Distributed database like the Casmera and the HDF, parallel computing basics for the IT. 6 month basic project list in the IoT, Internet of the Thing technology. Internet of Things with the Android and the Arduino. Automatic street lighting system using IoT. Smart building project using PIR. Smart water monitoring system using IoT. Cloud-ready temperature sensor with the Arduino UNO. And IoT temperature monitor for the balcony garden. Smart irrigation system using IoT. IoT application using Raspberry Pi. Temperature and humidity sensing using IoT. IoT remote soil moisture monitor. Intelligent traffic information system based on Internet of the Things. Wireless sensor system using IoT, Internet of the Things. IoT based biometrics implementation on the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi based smart supervisor using Internet of the Things, IoT. Motion control servos using IoT. Multi-room music player using IoT. Automatic smart parking system using Internet of the Things. IoT based Raspberry Pi home automation. IoT home security model. IoT vehicle simulation system. Automatic start parking system using IoT. Smart e-health gateway. IoT based biometrics. Internet of Things based architecture of web and smart home interface. Smart security solution based on the Internet of the Things, IoT. IoT smart bulb. Internet of Things enabled wireless sensor network. Internet of the Things based controlling of the appliances using GSM, GPRS. Secured smart healthcare monitoring based on the IoT. Regions to choose for the 6-month industrial training in the IoT, Internet of the Things. Our 6-month industrial training program in the IoT, Internet of Things is developed in compliance with the current IT industry. We provide the best 6-month industrial IoT in the Internet of Things training in Delhi, covering the entire course model during the 6-month industrial training in the Internet of the Things. Classes also student above 6-month industrial training Internet of Things course in Delhi without placement assistance. 6-month industrial training in IoT, Internet of Things training in Delhi are scheduled on weekdays and weekends. Also, students can opt for the customized schedule according to the requirement. Our teams of the trainers are industry experts, possessing more than a decade experience in the training. Mentors coaching 6-month industrial training in IoT, Internet of Things training in Delhi not only help to students accomplishing the live project, but also provide session on interview preparing along with the placement assistant. Ultra-modern IT laboratory equipped with the latest infrastructure. Our lab is open 365 days in a year. Students, according to their convenience, can utilize the lab for computing projects and practice the technical assignment. Our training classrooms are equipped with the modern IT infrastructure such as a projector, live tracks, Wi-Fi, and the digital pads. We facilitate our students with the glass door study room and the discussion zone area, meeting room to enhance their learning and the exploring the ability. Along with technical training and the course, we organize no-cost session on the personality development, spoken English, group discussion, mock interview, and presentation skill to develop high level of confidence in the student. We also organize no-cost personality development and the presentation seminars. Our course material include books, soft copy of the tutorial in the form of the PDF, simple papers, technical and HR interview question, and project available on our website. Students should enroll for Mr. program. This is this. trainer profile for the 6-month industrial training in IoT, Internet of the Things. Our trainers are industry expert and subject specialists who have mastered on the running application, provided the best 6-month industrial training in IoT, Internet of Things training to the student. We have received various prestigious awards by our recognized IT partner and the organization. Our trainers are the MNC working professionals employed in the SCL technology, Virlasoft, TCS, IBM, Sapinet, Alignment Technology, and so on. Our trainers are the certified professionals possessing 7 years experience in the industry. Our trainers have regular coordination with the MNC, HRP, and the daily basis. Placement assessment for the IoT, Internet of the Things.